Guys, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yesterday what happened is I did not sleep early because I was creating content for TikTok. I have to shoot makeup video, hair tutorial video for TikTok and Instagram. I was awake till, I don't want to say the exact time, but I was awake till 9 in the morning trying to shoot, because I know today will be busy for me. Because if I did not shoot that video now, and I don't want to procrastinate this year. I don't want to procrastinate this year at all with my content creating. I want to be back to back, shooting, posting, editing, shooting, post, like edit, post. And one thing about YouTube that I like that save me so much stress is it gives me the leverage to shoot video, edit, and schedule. So I can shoot video now, I'll just post it on YouTube, I'll just schedule it any date that I want that particular video to go. So YouTube now will not be the one to do the uploading for me when that particular time reach. Their video that will be going up on Sunday. Today is Saturday already, that is tomorrow. So before you guys see this video, that might be next week. So guys, yeah, I'm planning to go and do some grocery shopping because we ran out of some food stuff. There's no chicken in the house, there's no rice, there are so many things. So my husband, we're going to work. We're going to buy something for me to eat, like snacks. I can't cook anything for me, so I'm waiting for him. Welcome. But you stayed too long though.
It's not you.
Serious? And I want to go buy something.
It's not there outside.
Yeah, I go still feel like now. Eh?
Yeah.
Ah.
Heavy smell.
E?
But now, if you don't stop small, you can go now. You want to go.
Let me eat the biscuits now.
Maybe probably that's how the sash start early.
And it might not be that. Maybe the person won't go somewhere.
I don't know.
I don't know, Sha.
Well, it's snowing a lot right now.
Apology.
I'll carry this one. We'll share. I'll carry the
Why you not buy cook?
I'll carry the one and go.
This, I'm not taking much, Sha. Just small. Let me just rush and just eat that. Maybe when I come back, I'll eat something better. Guys, I installed this hair yesterday. Like I was saying yesterday, guys, I still wake up this morning to someone subscribing to my channel. I don't want to cry, but for each and every one of you that is subscribing to my channel, I say may God bless you, because sometimes I feel like what is even interesting about this video that I'm creating, that you guys are subscribing, trying to watch a long form video. So if I see someone subscribing to my channel or liking my video, like, it gives me joy. They're showing me genuine love, and I don't take everything for granted. Yesterday, like I said, I cried off camera. I cried because I don't want to just cry on camera. I cried. This is my little beginning, and watching my YouTube grow from nothing is something that I'm grateful to God. And I believe before this year runs out, I'm going to look back and say God is good. And I believe and I know that before this year runs out, my account will be monetized. I am not joking, because I know God sees the effort I'm putting out.
Just leave it. Snow. I don't think we can make it. Leave it tomorrow. Let's add it.
But I think tomorrow there might be storm.
Maybe it will start tonight and end tomorrow afternoon.
I pray so. I think just do what you capable, so that will be what.
Yeah.
That means you have to do and be going now before you get worse.
I will leave around 6:10 or 6:15.
So guys, I don't think I'll be going to do any grocery shopping again. Maybe tomorrow or maybe next tomorrow. I don't know, because my husband said there is snowstorm. It's seriously snowing outside, so I can't risk it for now.
You're a part reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but I'm to you. See my soul and couldn't see why. Hold my hand high, cause you see and now I'm better, I'm better. No longer what I used to be better, better. It's making me better. I'm turning a new thing. It's making me stronger, yeah, yeah. Christ is in my life, oh yeah, I'm good, yeah. Christ is in my life, oh yeah, I'm good, yeah. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. I'm good, I'm good. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. I'm good, I'm good. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. I'm good, I'm good. Hey yo, he said that he will never change, and he never changed. He remains the same every single day. Yesterday, today, I let him hold my hand, and I follow all his plans. Sometimes I don't understand, but to trust is what I can.